Two robbers killed by cops after multi-million-dollar heist in St. James.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The quick response of the St. James police and members of the military resulted in the recovery of cash and the seizure of an illegal firearm following a multi-million-dollar robbery in Westgate Hills, St. James on Monday, the 11th of May. Two men who were suspected to be part of the group who committed the robbery were fatally shot during a gun battle with members of a joint police-military team while trying to escape. Reports are that minutes after 11 a.m., a group of men held up and robbed persons of a large sum of money, which according to sources is over $10 million, and were trying to make their escape in a motorcar when they were intercepted by law enforcement officials. A shootout allegedly ensued and two men from the group were fatally shot. At least 3 other members of the group are believed to have escaped. A firearm, large sums of cash, and the motor vehicle were seized. The police have since launched a manhunt for the 3 who escaped. Video clips and screenshots purportedly of the robbery, which was reportedly captured via a dashcam in the victim's vehicle, shows a white Nissan AD wagon driving down and partially blocking the pathway of another vehicle. 3 men then exited the AD wagon, 2 with guns and the other with a hammer. The men made their way towards the vehicle, while a 4th man can be observed sitting around the steering wheel of the Nissan AD wagon. One of the armed men is then observed backing away to assume lookout duties, after which another man then rides up on a trail bike a few seconds later. He then rides off after a short exchange with his accomplice. A few moments later, 2 of the robbers are seen returning to the waiting vehicle with boxes. All 3 men then boarded the Nissan AD wagon, which then drove off.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.